review a little bit. Respiratory Physiology 101. The primary function of breathing is to oxygenate the cells of the body. What we want is that, real wonderful cellular respiration happening. Oxygen is picked up by the red blood cells, delivered through the arteries, and there's sufficient CO2, so there's this diffusion of oxygen into the cells, and the CO2 is being released, and we're breathing out just the right amount, and everybody's happy and balanced. And this requires the proper balance between oxygen and CO2. So remembering that healthy breathing, it's not just a muscular process, it's principally a chemical process. It's about good, healthy exchange of the gases, first in the lungs and then in the tissues. Breathing harder, why that doesn't increase oxygenation and in fact does the opposite, is because of this. There's only so much oxygen in the air around us. And I'm talking about it in terms of sea level, not up in the high mountains of the Alps or the Himalayas, okay? And I'm not talking about Shanghai or New Delhi or a city where there's a lot of air pollution, just good quality air. Good quality air. I live in the Seattle area at sea level. 21% of the air I'm taking in with this breath, only 21% is oxygen. Most of it is nitrogen. 78% of what we take in and 78% of what we breathe out is nitrogen. Okay? So most of what I'm taking in is nitrogen and only a small portion of it is oxygen. Furthermore, what I'm breathing out when I exhale, 16% of that is also oxygen. I take in 21%, breathe out 16%. I'm not great at math, but I can figure that out. It means what I actually need in my body, only 5% oxygen. I don't need that much. Okay.